So just a little something I was thinking about while I was joining the last of my squares, and just something I want to show you quickly is I've done this tutorial with a granny square that doesn't have a chain one space between the little double crochet clusters or shells or whatever you want to call them. So when you're working your join, I haven't shown you what you would be doing with a chain one space. If you are joining granny squares with a chain one space, you do need to work that chain one, because otherwise what will happen is your join will tend to kind of scrunch up a bit. So I'm just going to show you basically how it would work is on your joining edges, you wouldn't do that chain one because you're working a slip stitch, and that slip stitch gives your work enough of a give to kind of make up for that chain one space. So if you were joining even a granny with a chain one space on that, you know, where you're slip stitching into your next square, you wouldn't work a chain one there like I've just done now. I'm just going to finish up this corner. On your other, you know, your non-joining sides, like the side I'm going to work now, which would be this side, you do need to join, you do need to work that chain one space. Otherwise, like I say, your join tends to scrunch up a lot. So what you would do is, if you were using this join on a granny square with chain ones in between, is now that you've come out of that corner, you would then need to work your chain one and carry on with your grannies in that way, you know, with your join. Yeah, so I just wanted to fill you in on that, and then I'm just going to finish up joining and I will show you how to end off this side.